Mint Mobile locks accounts as a security measure to prevent unauthorized access. Common reasons include suspected fraudulent activity, multiple failed login attempts, or to verify your identity. As of September 2025, Mint Mobile uses enhanced AI-driven verification to combat rising cyber threats, which can sometimes trigger false positives and lead to account locks. Resolve locks by resetting your password, managing 2FA, or verifying your identity through the app. To unlock your Mint Mobile account, start by accessing the Mint Mobile app or website. Next, reset your password using your registered phone number or email address. Enable biometric two-factor authentication for added security. This replaces vulnerable SMS options and protects against SIM swapping attacks. For escalated account locks, upload a government-issued ID through the secure portal for identity verification. If issues persist, contact 24/7 chat support. Delays may occur during peak times.